to do like you guys don't even know. It has nothing to do with hot sauces, but at the same time, everything to do with hot sauces. Bigger, better, organic rev. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. I have an awesome unboxing to do like you guys don't even know. It has nothing to do with hot sauces, but at the same time, everything to do with hot sauces. I had an awesome company reach out to me because they've been seeing my videos on YouTube. I was like, oh my goodness. They told me that they can make my plants be bigger, better, all organically. And I was like, oh, tell me more. I was so excited. You guys don't even know. Like, they started talking to me about their products, and I was actually at first very scared because I've never ever used any type of chemicals on my plants. Everything that I have had has just been like organic to the most organic that you guys can imagine. Like nothing at all has been used on my plants, but their stuff is all organic, so I'm extremely excited to start using it on my plants. I already started growing some plants, but this helps to start even from seedlings, and I have a whole bunch of plants more to plant, so I'm going to be experimenting, so stay tuned on the little updates that I'm going to be doing. That's going to be awesome. So organic rev, guys, let's go ahead and do this unboxing and see what they sent me. So let me get my cuchillo and let me open this. Oh, it's so exciting. It's always exciting to open something. Okay, it's a pretty big bottle, guys. Oh, está bien pesado. Oh, and it has more things. What is this? Oh, okay. So happy growing, organic growth stimulant, like a little booklet. I'm guessing it has like everything to do with it. Oh, just add water. It's that simple. It has all the instructions of how to use it, and they have different products también, which I'll be putting down the link down below so you guys can check them out. They also have an Instagram, guys, so that's awesome. Oh, how to use Rev. Oh my goodness, separate instructions. They are so nice. This is gonna be really helpful. Oh, soak seeds in a 50-50 Rev to water mix for 3 to 4 hours prior to planting. Oh my goodness, she's gonna be starting to do all of this. It comes with a little cup. It's a little broken, but it's all right, guys. It's like a regular cup. I think everyone has one of these in their household, so that's pretty cool. And it has stickers. Look at that. Let me show you guys the bottle. Oh, this is a big bottle. Goodness gracious. Oh, nice. Guys, it's gonna be good for a lot of things, not just my pepper plants. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna give like a super good yield on cannabis plants too, if you guys be growing them, which you guys should if it's legal at your place, because it's just amazing and you just can't go wrong with it. So be growing it. It says for healthier, faster growing and stronger plants. Enhances flowers, fruits, vegetables, shrubs. It's good for shrubs too? What? Guys, I haven't used anything on my evergreen trees. The possibilities, guys. Oh, I'm gonna start using on them and they're gonna grow out of nowhere like twice as big. This is so cool. I'm so excited to start using this. It's like good for everything. Goodness gracious. Look at that, guys. Like everything. Thank you so much. Super awesome company, super nice people, and like I said, I'm super excited to start using it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a super amazing day. Bye.